Forest Fire product here. Where it's at for all your lacrosse needs. And I just got my Aiptek camcorder. Ooh, forgot to stencil out some names there. With the knife. So, on another note, lately, I've been experiencing some problems with my desktop, as you guys know. Now it is totally apart. My dad's taking it apart. Not a computer tech. He does not know exactly how to fix it. So don't expect any high quality videos once again until a while. And this is actually legit because it's probably more than less broken now. So I'm recording through my netbook webcam. It's kind of crappy, slow, but we'll get this started here. Bought this for $20. Also, $28 actually. Check me out on Facebook also. Forest Fire Product Lacrosse Network. Sound a little bit more professional. More lacrosse themed. Get way more likes that way. I think I'm up to like 10 likes or something. Also, I think I'm up to 10 subscribers. I might do a giveaway for the 100th. I got a Warrior STX Nemesis goalie head or something. And I'm not using, so you might think about doing that if you want one. And I got this off eBay. Open it up here. It says it came with everything basically out of the box. It's in a Ziploc bag, video camera. First thing I'm seeing is, I think these are HD cables, because they're green, red, and blue. You got your regular analog cables right there. Your charger right there. And let's go, what do we got here? Looks like a CD here. Software CD. Hopefully this is editing software, not just like uploading or downloading. See what it says on here. Also an MP3 player, digital still camera, 4x digital zoom, night shot, HD TV component output, and input ports display your high definition still pictures directly onto your TV. I also thought that this has AVN. I'm not positive. Hope it does, because that would really, really, really help me out with the gaming videos. But, because I saw some people saying Aiptek had the N. I don't know if it's this particular one. It might be the 1080p one that has it. Let's see. HDTV component output. I'm not sure. Let's see when we get in. We've got the ripped up instruction manual. Or whatever this is. In the middle of the video. There we go. Then we've got the instruction manual. Registration. Everybody's pissed at me. And the camera itself, right here. It looks pretty high quality, not really cheap. Flips out. It's got a rotating screen. Oh, it just turned on. Or actually, no, it didn't. It just get a little ding. And then here we've got menu, mode, record button right there, in and out, or something like that. It's got a flashlight right there. 8 megapixels. So can't wait to plug this puppy up and do a video quality. I will probably do that if I can upload on the netbook if I don't need the software, because the netbook does not have a CD drive. Then I will do that. If I can't, then expect in a couple months or something like that. But that's that. Please like and subscribe. Check me out on Facebook. I'll put the description or the link in the description below to the Facebook Forest Fire Product Lacrosse Network. Check me out there. Thinking about getting on Twitter, but we'll take things as it goes. Thank you for I've got almost 1,000 subscribers, or view. I got over 1,000 views. It only took me like 40 videos, and I believe I have 10 subscribers now, maybe 9. Subscribe back to almost all of them, I think. I haven't, and I will. Thank you all. This is Forest Fire Product signing off. Please like and subscribe.